Close to 6,000 lives lost, thousands injured, and many more who have lost everything in the devastating earthquake that hit Nepal on Saturday. And even as Nepal struggles with the aftermath, there are some people for whom life will probably never be the same again. We bring you such tales of tragedy, lives that changed forever.
He survived the earthquake, but now Suraj's house and life are in shambles. On 25th April, when the quake struck, Suraj saw his wife and 4-month-old baby being swallowed as the earth split. Suraj himself was stuck in the debris for close to half-hour. He survived, but his wife and child did not.
याद आता है बहुत, रोने लगते हैं चिन-चिन, क्या करूं? शादी किया 1 साल हो गया, क्या कर, मजबूर.
17 kilometers from Kathmandu, Sakho Sankapur village is trying to pick up the pieces. Most of the village has been reduced to rubble. People have lost their loved ones and their homes. Some have even been living in cars since the earthquake.
यहाँ रात को गाड़ी में ही रुकते हैं?
गाड़ी में सुकुम्बासी जैसे.
और बाकी सारे आपके परिवार के लोग इधर ही रहते हैं?
इधर सब इधर. अंदर कोई नहीं जाएगा.
This is what remains of what used to be a busy market. It's now turned into a virtual graveyard with over 70 bodies pulled out of the rubble.
फिर भी आएंगी या कुछ होगा, मेरा घर भी जाएगा, इस डर से वो लोग अभी तक अंदर सो नहीं सकते.
जो सरकार ने राहत भी नहीं दे रहा है, अभी हमको कुछ भी राहत वाला नहीं आया है.
Transcending borders, this family in Delhi too has been jolted by tragedy. Dr. Harish Devgan lost his son Gaurav to the quake. Gaurav was part of an NGO delegation. Dr. Devgan lost his wife and younger son a couple of years ago. Now his 5-year-old granddaughter and his daughter-in-law are all he has for family. Shaken and shattered, the only thing left for those struck by tragedy is hope for a better future. With Sanjay Sharma in Kathmandu, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.